Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine. As you know, I am bringing no crypto project in which you can invest and get profit. So today we bring a new amazing cryptocurrency project. Its name is Tone Launchpad. Tone Launchpad, guys, this is an amazing project. This project is live now. So guys, you can join now and see this more detail about this project. Building on Tone together, join the future of Web3 and back the project that will define tomorrow. And next we discuss about of this project, unlock your project's full potential on Tone Launchpad. We provide more than just a platform. We offer a path to success. With the strength of Tone's blockchain and our support network, we help business projects grow and thrive. Whether you are starting out or scaling up, Tone Launchpad ensures you are backed by a global community that believes in your future. And as guys, you can see this why launch with Tone Launchpad. Number one, raise fund transparently, access a global network in a secure, decentralized environment with full transparency. Number two, build your community. Grow a loyal community of backers from day one, building strong connection in the Tone ecosystem. Number three, control your launch. Confidently manage your fundraising with Tone Launchpad support and growing network. And that guys, you can check here end-to-end guidance. End-to-end guidance, advisory and guidance, tailored advice for project development, scaling and long-term success, tokenomics and fundraising, expert support for tokenomics, vesting, token sales, liquidity and stacking, community building and marketing. Craft effective community strategies and targeted marketing campaigns, key partners connection. Assess industry players, investors and funds aligned with your goal, branding and positioning. Enhance your brand with strategic guidance on digital culture and marketing positioning, exchange listing and scaling. Gain connections for exchange listing, liquidity and scaling resources. And next you can check here streamline line launch process. You can apply for rise, so you can submit form. Number one, submit your project, apply for evaluation and readiness review. Number two, launch support. Our team provides feedback to align with community standard. Number three, launch support, get full support for marketing, outreach and technical presentation. And next is number four, launch your project, go live with full backing from Tone Launchpad and our community. Number 5, join the future of Web3. Launch your project or invest in the next big thing with Tone Launchpad. So guys, you can submit form now, and guys, you can check here features of Tone Launchpad. Global Support Network. Connect with a worldwide community of blockchain enthusiasts, investors and developers, expert mentorships. Get guidance from experts in blockchain tokenomics, branding and marketing partnership network. Tap into our extensive network of industry leaders, investors and strategic partners to accelerate your project growth and success. And next guys, you can check here, involved now and shape the future with us. You can join the community group. So guys, and next guys, you can check here facts. So what is Tone Launchpad? You can see the Tone Launchpad is a platform that helps new project on the Tone blockchain with fundraising, marketing and community building. Guys, you can see next guys, you can see the what is an IDO initial DEX offering. How do I apply launch my project on Tone Launchpad? What types of project can launch on Tone Launchpad? How can I participate as an investor in Tone Launchpad project? How is Tone Launchpad different? So guys, you can check here all questions and you can see this answer. And then guys, you can see this. You can join this project on following social media platform: Telegram, Twitter. So we go to this project official Telegram group chat community. So guys, you can see the Tone Launchpad official Telegram group chat community is open. You can join this chat and give information about this project. You can check here 17,327 members that join this group. So guys, you can join this group. Tone Launchpad description detail you can check here. Platform enables seamless token creation, secure pre-sales, fair launches, airdrop and decentralized trading on the Tone blockchain. And next we back to the home page, and next we go to this project Telegram group channel. So you can click here and see this. So guys, you can see this Tone Launchpad Telegram group channel open. You can see this, you can follow this, you can check here 11,584 subscribers. You can see this. And next we back to the home page, and next we go to this project official Twitter page. So guys, you can see this Tone Launchpad official Twitter page is open. You can follow this and give information about this project. You can check here all detail. You can see this, all posts. You can like and comment this post and retweet this post. You can see this built on Tone blockchain detail. You can check here, stacking benefit detail. You can see this all detail. And next we back to the home page. Next we discuss Tone Launchpad white paper. You can see this white paper page is open. Tone Launchpad building on Tone together. Tone Launchpad is a decentralized platform designed to empower blockchain projects by helping them raise capital, build a community, and launch successfully on the Tone. You can read carefully all detail. Next guys, you can check here key features: decentralized fundraising, community catering growth, scalable infrastructure, advisory and support services built on Tone blockchain ecosystem. The open network Tone is a high-performance decentralized blockchain network originally designed by the Telegram team to bring blockchain technology to the masses. You can read carefully key features of the Tone blockchain: scalability and sharding, low fees and high throughput, security through proof of stake, interoperability and cross-chain compatibility. You can read carefully all features. Hey guys, you can check here more detail in white paper, Tone ecosystem, launch model highlights, launchpad, multi-chain fundraising, tire stacking, swap, token creation, mass send wallet for airdrop, bulk wallet generator, token locker, AI smart contract edit detail, partnership ecosystem, developer friendly. You can read it carefully all detail. Token utility, access to IDOS, governance rights, stacking rewards, tiered participation, Tone Launchpad, revenue earning. And as guys, you can see Tone University, foundational knowledge, investor education, developer focused education, security and governance. Guys, you can read carefully all detail in white paper. And so guys, this website video is finished. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update.